Are you struggling with typos and unclear writing online and tired of embarrassing mistakes? Grammarly solves it in a click, offering instant grammar checks, spelling corrections, and style enhancements as you type. Let us see how we can install Grammarly browser extension. Grammarly offers a browser extension for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and Firefox. We will see how to get it for Google Chrome. We will find the Grammarly extension in the Chrome Web Store. From Google Chrome browser, select the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the address bar to see a menu of options. Hover over the extension submenu, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. Then in the search bar, type in Grammarly and then select this. After that, select the Add to Chrome button. On the next pop-up, select the Add Extension button. Here you have an option to create a new account, or we can also proceed without creating an account. I will choose Sign Up with Google and then select one of my Gmail IDs. There are few research questions that I can skip. It will ask you a few questions so that it can personalize your experience. You can make the selections as per your requirement. Here I'll be selecting for work. I can also choose skip personalization. On the next pop-up screen, you can see a comparison between Grammarly browser extension and Grammarly for Windows. At this point, I would like to get Grammarly for browser extension only. I'm going to click on this one. Once Grammarly is installed, I would like to pin it to the toolbar. I click on this puzzle icon and then select pin and close out this. Now you can see this Grammarly icon here in the toolbar. Let us first look at few adjustment settings. Click on this Grammarly icon. Here you see there is quick settings and then all settings. Let us look at the all settings. Here you see the account settings. You can modify any options if you want to, and then you can click on this customize. Here you see dictionary and then language preferences. Here you can set your language preference here, and there is a features option. So you see different settings that you can make here. Here we can turn off or turn on Grammarly's browser extension for a particular website. We can manage generative AI features by clicking on this manage button, and we can turn on, turn off the show on text selection, show for quick replies, and we can also activate, deactivate show definitions and synonyms via double clicks. Let me turn this on. We can activate or deactivate autocorrect feature. We can also turn off, turn on the phrasal predictions, meaning phrases that can be used to make predictions in English. And here we can create a new document, or you can go to the Grammarly dashboard. I want to look at my Grammarly dashboard. I click on this. I will X out of this. Now let us look at few features of Grammarly extension. Since we will be using Google Word to demonstrate this, let us turn off Google's spell check and grammar check to avoid confusion. We can see spelling and grammar suggestions are turned off now. First feature is checking the text. When you click into a text field, you will see Grammarly's icon in the lower right hand corner. As you type, Grammarly will begin to check your text dynamically. I purposefully misspelled onomatopoeia to see what Grammarly will suggest. As you can see here, there is a number 1 with red color. Let me click on this one. It is telling me that onomatopoeia spelling is incorrect and the correct spelling is this one. Here we have few options. If you think your spelling is right and don't want Grammarly to flag it subsequently, you can click on this button and add it to your dictionary. You can also dismiss the suggestion by clicking on this delete icon. Here in this case, my spelling is wrong and this is the correct spelling. Hence, I will accept this by clicking on this. Now I am pasting here a couple of sentences that have spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes, and let us see what Grammarly does. Here you can see Grammarly running and then checking out the errors or issues with my sentences. It is saying that I have 5 issues, and here it is pointing out I have a spelling mistake here, and then it is asking me to change the preposition here, and then others are spelling mistakes, and here it is telling me to rephrase, but it is a premium feature. Let us click on this and then accept Grammarly suggestion, and then let us click on this one and then accept Grammarly suggestion at, and there's a spelling mistake here, and there's a spelling mistake here, and there's a spelling mistake here. You can see it is still flagging out this word, but still to accept the correction from Grammarly, it will be a premium feature. Let me accept that one also. It is saying there is one more issue with this sure, and it is the punctuation problem that can be fixed by going for the premium version. But for now, we don't have any critical issues. Next, we can look at usage of definitions and synonyms of words. When writing, you can find a synonym by double clicking on a word that you wrote. For example, writing suggestions and then I want to know the synonyms for this. So here you see Grammarly is providing all the synonyms that are possible with suggestions. We can also check the definition of a word on any website by just double clicking it. For example, I want to know what is subsidiary. It says no definitions available. Let us try commercial. You can see Grammarly has provided the definition of commercial word, meaning of or pertaining to commerce, and it is also showing you the source of the definition it retrieved. Other major feature of Grammarly is using the generative AI. Let us click on this manage for the generative AI. You can turn on, turn off Grammarly's generative AI assistance here. Grammarly also has a paid subscription services. Let me click on this subscription. These are all the different levels of plans Grammarly has. The free plan, that's what we are using currently, and then we have a premium with all these additional features, and there is a business plan also with all these additional features. The relevant links are provided in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to stay ahead in the ever evolving world of artificial intelligence, be sure to check out our website at findbestsolution.tech. You will find a vast collection of best AI tools. Bye till next video.